Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue our first lesson of information technology. In previous lesson we have learned about input devices, and in this video we will learn about CPU, Central Processing Unit. Dear students, the CPU, also called the microprocessor, is referred to as the brain of the computer. It is the main hardware component of a computer, as all the processing is done inside it. The speed of a computer depends mainly upon its microprocessor. Dual core, quad core, core 2, Duo, i3, i5, i7 and IL3 are the commonly used microprocessors these days. The CPU consists of three main parts, namely the arithmetic logic unit, registers and the control unit. All these parts work together to process the data. Arithmetic logic unit ALU. The ALU handles all the mathematical calculations and logical comparisons such as addition, subtraction, less than, equal to, etc., which are to be performed on the data. Registers. Registers are high-speed small memory units used to temporarily store instructions, intermediate data generated during processing and results. Essentially, they hold the information on which the CPU is currently working. Control Unit CU. The CU controls the movement of data inside as well as outside the CPU. It enables the communication between registers and ALU and between the CPU and all the input, output and storage devices. It directs all the parts of the computer system to perform their tasks. So dear students, in this video we have learned about Central Processing Unit CPU. It will help you to understand the lesson.